Hi student, welcome to my online class. Today we discuss class 9 science chapter 3 atoms and molecules. So in this chapters last class we have discussed about atoms, okay, and their symbols. So today we discuss what is atomic mass. What are atomic mass and what are the importance of atomic mass? Today we discuss. Okay. So all atoms have or all elements have a fixed atomic numbers. Like this, all elements have a fixed mass numbers. Okay, so what is mass numbers? Okay, the mass numbers mainly the atoms we are only one describe the atoms. Inside the atoms mainly what are present? Electrons, protons and neutrons. Okay, next chapter we are discuss. Suppose this is one atom of sodium. Okay, one sodium atoms. So inside the sodium atom, what are present? Electrons, protons, and neutrons. Okay. So electrons is the what are negative charge, and proton is the positive charge, and neutron is the neutral charge. So we are know that the atom is a wholly neutral. The atom is wholly neutral. Why the atom is wholly neutral? Because inside the atoms, same number of positive charge and some number of negative charge are present. That's why the atom is wholly neutral. That's why all atoms have a fixed mass numbers. So the mass numbers is equal to what are number of protons plus number of neutrons. In sodiums, the atomic numbers are 11. That's why it contains 11 number of protons and 11 number of electrons and 12 number of neutrons. So mass number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. So P plus N is equal to 11 plus 12 is equal to 23. So the mass of sodium atom is 23. So like this also we can calculate the mass of carbon. In carbon atoms, total number of protons is equal to 6 and electrons also 6 and neutron also 6. That's why the mass number is equal to 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So the mass of carbon atom is 12. So mass number means what are the mass numbers is what are atomic units. One atomic mass unit is a mass unit equal to exactly 1/12th the mass of one atom of carbon 12. Here we are written carbon 12. This carbon 12 means the carbon is a radioactive isotope. Okay, carbons are the two mass, one are the carbon 12 and one are the carbon 14s. Okay, so this carbon 12 always we have to compare. That time we calculate the mass of any elements. That time we compare with the one atoms of carbon 12, the mass of one atom of carbon 12. So the definition is one atomic mass unit is a mass unit equal to exactly 1/12 the mass of one atom of carbon 12. And the atomic mass is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. This is also one short formula. We have to calculate the mass of an atoms. So this one some example of some elements and their atomic mass. Hydrogens atomic mass are the 1, carbons atomic mass are the 12, nitrogens atomic mass are 14, oxygens atomic mass are 16, sodium atomic mass are 23, magnesium atomic mass are 24, sulfur 32, chlorines 35.5 and calcium 40. Okay, so this is the some example of atomic mass of some elements. Okay, so now we discuss how do atom exist. Okay, how do atom exist? एटम कौन सा फॉर्म में एग्जिस्ट होता है? और कौन सा फॉर्म में वो मेनली मॉलिक्यूल्स और कंपाउंड फॉर्मेशन करते हैं. Mainly the atoms are exist atoms they do not have independent existence. Okay, atoms do not have an independent existence, so that's why they are always in the form of ions or compounds. Okay, the atoms are always present in the form of molecule and ions. Okay, so atoms do not exist independently. That's why they are present in the form of molecules and ions. For example, one hydrogen atoms are combined with other hydrogen atom and to form hydrogen molecules. Okay, this is one hydrogen atom are combined with another hydrogen atom and to form hydrogen molecule. Okay, similarly, one chlorine atom are combined with another chlorine atom and to form chlorine molecule. Okay. This is one chlorine atom and this is also one chlorine atom. So the atoms cannot exist independently. They can always present in the form of molecules or ions. How they are form ions? How they are form ions? The atoms are loss of electrons and gain of electrons and they form ions. Okay, so the atoms are always form two types of ions. That is, one are the positively ions, that is what are cations, and one are the negatively charged ion, that is anions. And the molecules also, different types of molecules are there. So this one also we have discussed. First discuss of ions. Okay, so ions क्या होता है? The residual charge present in an atoms is known as what are ions. The residual charge, suppose Na plus 1, Cl minus 1, Mg plus 2, Al plus 3. So ये जो प्लस 1 माइनस 1 प्लस 2 प्लस 3 ये जो चार्ज प्रेजेंट है इसको बोलते हैं क्या? आयंस. So ions mainly there are two types. Okay, one are the cation and one are the anion. Okay, cations is the positively charged ion and anion is the negatively charged ions. So now we discuss some cations or positively charged ions. Hydrogen ion, this is the H plus 1. Lithium ion, that is Li plus 1. Next are the sodium ion, that is Na plus 1. Next, magnesium ions, that is the Mg plus 2 ions. And after magnesium, this is the aluminum ion, that that is the Al plus 3 ions, and ammonium ion that is NH4 plus ion. Iron two ion. Iron have the two charge, that is they have the variable valency also. Iron 2 ion, that is the Fe plus 2. Copper 2 ion, that is the Cu plus 2. Okay. Mercury ion, that is Hg plus 2. Okay. And many of the positive ions are present. So now we discuss some negatively charged ions, that is anion. Anions or negatively charged ions. Okay. So the anions are formed by the gain of electrons. Okay, one thing you remember, anions are formed by gain of electrons and cations are formed by the loss of electrons. कोई जो न्यूट्रल एटम है वो क्या करता है, इलेक्ट्रॉन जब लॉस करता है आउटर सेल का, वो क्या कैटायन फॉर्मेशन करता है और पॉजिटिवली चार्ज आयन फॉर्मेशन करता है. और जब एक न्यूट्रल एटम इलेक्ट्रॉन्स गेन करता है तो वो एनायन फॉर्मेशन करता है, दैट इज द नेगेटिवली चार्ज आयन फॉर्मेशन करता है. फॉर एग्जांपल ऑफ एनायंस आर ऑक्साइड आयन. Oxide ion are the O2 minus, chloride ion, that is the Cl1 minus, bromide ion, that is the Br1 minus, sulfate ion, that is the SO4 2 minus, sulfide IDE sulfide ion, that is the S2 minus, sulfide ion, that is the SO3 2 minus, and another one are the negatively carbonate ion, that is the CO3 2 minus, hydrogen carbonate, that is SCO3 2 minus, nitrate ion, that is NO3 1 minus. So this is the some negatively charged ions. Okay, or more examples are there, cations and anions. Okay, so this is the most important. This one will help to writing the name of the compounds. Okay, this is the most important. So all of you are requested to remember this cations and anions. Okay, so all of you are requested to write this one. So after the cations and anions, now we have to study how to write the name of these compounds or molecules with the help of this cation and anions. So before writing these compounds, one thing we are left, that is the molecules. What is molecules? First we have discussed, then the compound name we have discussed. Molecule. So molecules are formed by the combination of two or more atoms. Okay, the molecules are formed by the combination of two or more atoms with some attractive force. Okay, the molecules are formed by the combination of two or more atoms. For examples, H plus S to form water H2, okay, and O plus O to form O2, and some some molecules are the monoatomics, and some are the diatomic, and some are the tetraatomics. This one are the two atoms, so this one are the diatomic molecule. Okay, the helium, argon, this is are the monoatomic because they are not combined with their other atoms. So this is the water monoatomics. O3 is the water triatomic because 3 oxygen atoms are combined. Like these are the P4 phosphorus, this is the tetraatomic. Okay, S8 sulfur, it is the octaatomic. Octaatomics. So this is the what are types of molecules, and the molecules are the can exist independently. Okay, and this is called water atomicity. Okay, water atomicity, the number of atoms present in the molecules. Okay, atomicity, what are the number of atoms present in the molecules is known as atomicity. Atomicity of dead elements. For example, now I discuss hydrogens are H2, their atomicity are the 2. Okay, oxygens O2 we are written their atomicity are also 2. O3 we are written their atomicity are the 3. Phosphorus P4 we written their atomicity are 4. Okay, so like this. So now we discuss how to write the compounds of the name of the compounds. So all compounds, they have the combination of one positive ions and one negative ions. So let's start one compound names, that is the sodium chloride. In sodium chloride, what are sodium ion are present and a plus, and chloride ion present, it is Cl minus. Okay, so that time when writing the compound, one thing you remember, the sign will be omitted, plus and minus, and second are the 1 1 2 2 or 3 3 same charges are present, then this is also 1. We have to remove it or cancel it. So here will come Na and here will come water Cl. So sodium chloride formula are the NaCl. Secondly, another one for the examples are magnesium hydroxides. Okay, so magnesiums, what are the symbol Mg plus 2 ions are formed and hydroxide OH minus 1. Okay, it is compounds plus and minus are cancelled. Here are the two charges and here are the one. Then not same, then we are use crisscross. Means these two are come to OS down and this one are come to Mg. So the formula are Mg and 2 will come here, then OS bracket 2. Okay, why we are use bracket here? Because two elements are present, oxygen and hydrogen. That's why we use bracket. Magnesium hydroxide. Okay. Another one example we have discussed, that is aluminum chlorides. Aluminum chlorides. Okay, aluminum chloride here, aluminum are present, Al plus 3 and chlorine are present, Cl minus 1. Okay, so plus sign minus sign cancel, this one will come to this and this 3 will come. So then the formula Al Cl3, 3 will come. Aluminum chloride. So all of you are like this, you have to practice how to write the compounds, and first thing are the ions. Okay, their charge is the most important. Okay, so next class we will discuss more example of this, how to write the compounds and their next topic. Okay, so thank you all of you.